Sominex. But voices in my head kept saying, go to Seymour, talk to Seymour. I drank some tea, but gee, the feeling wasn't gone. Seymour, sweetheart, tell me, darling, what's been going on? Who said that?
You're looking cute, asking
Is somebody in there?
you're looking mighty sweet.
Seymour, Seymour.
No, it ain't Seymour, it's me,
Oh my God!
your friendly Audrey Tail. This plan is talking to you.
I don't believe it.
Believe it, baby, it talks.
Am I dreaming this?
No, when you ain't in Kansas, neither.
Something's very wrong here.
Oh, relax and go with the doll. Do me a favor, will you, sweetheart?
A favor?
I need me some water in the worst way. Look at my branches. I'm a